In today's video, I am going to teach you how to go on specific date in Tradingview. If you've ever tried to rewind your chart to a precise moment for analysis, backtesting, or simply reviewing a past move, this quick technique will save you a lot of time and keep your workflow smooth. First, open your charts. Make sure you are on the symbol and time frame you actually want to review. The date jump will take you to the chosen point on the active chart, so it pays to set this up before you move. Once your chart is visible and active, you are ready to navigate directly to a specific point in history. On Tradingview, here is a built-in calendar tool designed exactly for this. Look for the calendar icon located on the bottom right of the horizontal axis toolbar, near the timescale that runs along the bottom of your chart. Clicking this icon opens a date picker. This is your visual way to jump around the timeline without endless scrolling. Use the arrows in the picker to switch months if needed. Then click the exact date you want. As soon as you select it, Tradingview will automatically scroll the chart to that day, centering the view around your selection so you can start analyzing immediately. If you prefer using your keyboard, here is an even faster method. While your cursor is on the chart and the chart is active, press Alt+G on Windows or Option+G on Mac. This shortcut opens the same date selection tool without reaching for the mouse. It's perfect when you are moving quickly through a study or replaying a strategy and want to keep your hands on the keys. After the date picker appears, simply select the specific date in the calendar. The chart will jump straight to it. If you are on an intraday time frame, the chart will land at the start of that day's visible data. So you can fine-tune your view with your usual zoom or scroll controls to get right to the candle or bar you care about. On higher time frames like daily or weekly, the selected bar will be immediately in view. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.